Tea tree oil is a natural essential oil with a variety of uses. In this video by The Daily Eco, we'll explore its benefits and how you can take it. Properties of tea tree oil. Its magic comes from its distinctive components. These give it antiseptic, antifungal, antibacterial, and even antiviral properties. It also promotes healing and oxygenates the skin. Let's take a closer look at all its benefits. Cure skin conditions. Tea tree oil is easily absorbed by the skin. For acne, it helps clear clogged pores and prevent new breakouts by fighting bacteria. It can also be used to treat minor cuts and fungal infections. Additionally, its anti-inflammatory properties help soothe cold sores and gingivitis. While reducing inflammation and fighting germs, it also promotes tissue regeneration and oxygen flow. Decongests the lungs. Tea tree oil's expectorant properties make it helpful for respiratory issues. It can help open your airways, making breathing easier. Additionally, its antiseptic qualities may help fight off pathogens like viruses and bacteria lodged in your nose and throat. This can support your immune system in overcoming the illness faster. But before we continue, see if you can answer this question. Which of the following is a common use for tea tree oil in aromatherapy? Reduction of anxiety and stress. Increased concentration and memory. Relief of muscle and joint pain. If you like the Daily Eco, remember that with a super thanks, you can help us continue creating content like this. Let's now look at the different ways to use tea tree oil. Direct topical application. Studies suggest that using tea tree oil at full strength may be more effective against certain bacteria. For localized treatments like acne, warts, or fungal infections, apply a single drop directly to the affected area. Cosmetics. Many products like toners, soaps, shampoos, and gels already contain tea tree oil. Look for simple formulas without complex ingredients to avoid unwanted reactions. If pre-made options aren't available, you can add a single drop of essential oil to your existing products. Mix it on a cotton pad or in your palm before using in the face. Plasters. For larger areas, prepare a diluted solution by mixing 1 drop of tea tree oil with 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Spread a thin layer on the affected area, cover with gauze, and repeat until improvement is observed. Steam inhalation. Tea tree oil's vapors can be soothing for respiratory issues. You can create a steam inhalation using the oil or the leaves. Add a single drop of tea tree oil to a pot of steaming hot water. Inhale the vapors with your head covered by a towel, ensuring a safe distance from the hot water. Breathe deeply at intervals, coming out for fresh air regularly to avoid dizziness. Contraindications of tea tree oil. Avoid tea tree oil if you have a known allergy. Never ingest tea tree oil as it is toxic and can cause severe harm. Apply topically with caution. Direct application is generally not recommended and can cause irritation. Only use it undiluted for localized needs mentioned previously. Long-term use can lead to allergic skin reactions. This risk increases with exposure to light and air, so store the oil in an amber glass dropper to minimize oxidation. And going back to the question we asked you before, have you thought it through? Well, the correct answer is A. Reduction of anxiety and stress. Its calming aroma can promote relaxation and improve mood. Well, that's it for today. Thank you for watching, and until next time.